If you woke up this morning feeling tired, stressed, or mentally unprepared, then give me the next few minutes, because today I will show you the exact morning habits the ancient Stoic masters used to build an unshakable mind. These habits transformed emperors, warriors, philosophers, and modern leaders. And if you learn them, they can transform you too. So pause everything else. Take a deep breath. Commit to watching this video until the end, because this might become the morning routine that completely rewires your mind and your life. If you're ready, let's begin. The power of mornings. There's a silent moment each morning, before the world wakes up, before the noise begins, before the responsibilities rush in, like a storm. In that quiet window, your mind is exposed, open, unguarded. And the Stoics understood something profound. If you control your morning, you control your mind. And if you control your mind, you control your entire life. While most people start their day with chaos, scrolling through their phone, rushing, reacting, the great Stoic thinkers crafted their mornings intentionally. Marcus Aurelius didn't just wake up as an emperor, he trained his mind every morning. Seneca didn't become wise by accident. He practiced his principles the moment the day began. Epictetus didn't discover strength in comfort. He forged it through discipline. Today, you're going to learn their most powerful morning habits and how each one can reshape the way you think, feel, and live. Let's begin with habit number 1. Habit 1. Morning mental rehearsal. Premeditatio malorum. The premeditation of difficulties. Imagine starting your day by calmly anticipating the obstacles ahead. Not worrying, not dreading, but preparing. The Stoics called this premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. They would wake up and visualize the challenges the day might bring. A rude co-worker, delays or traffic, unexpected news, a mistake, a disagreement, a plan falling apart, a person testing your patience. Marcus Aurelius began every day reminding himself, people you meet today will be troublesome, ungrateful, arrogant, jealous, and selfish. Why would an emperor start his morning like this? Because he wasn't being negative. He was being prepared. Here's the secret. What you expect cannot hurt you. What you mentally rehearse cannot surprise you. And what you prepare for cannot control you. Athletes visualize success before stepping on the field. Pilots train for emergencies before they fly. Warriors prepare for battle before they fight. But people rarely prepare for the emotional battles of everyday life. So spend 10 minutes each morning mentally rehearsing your challenges, not to fear them, but to say, when this happens, I already know how I will respond. This habit alone will change your emotional stability. Habit 2. Setting intentions through journaling. First say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do. Epictetus. Most people start their day with a to-do list. The Stoics started with a to-be list. Your journal is not for documenting what you need to accomplish. It is for declaring the kind of person you want to be. Spend 5 to 10 minutes writing answers to questions like, how will I handle frustration today? What virtues will I practice? Patience, courage, self-control. What emotional traps will I avoid? Who do I want to inspire today? What type of human being am I choosing to be? Intentions are different from goals. Goals are about achieving. Intentions are about becoming. When you write your intentions every morning, you create self-accountability. You create a blueprint for your behavior. You shape your character consciously, instead of letting life shape it for you. Most people drift. Stoics decide. Today, decide who you will be before the world has a chance to decide for you. Habit 3. Reading Stoic wisdom. He who studies wisdom begins to live. Seneca. Before checking messages, before reacting to the world, the Stoics fed their minds with wisdom, not for entertainment, not for academic study, but for mental conditioning. Because just like your body needs healthy food, your mind needs healthy thoughts. Read for 10 minutes. Marcus Aurelius. Meditations. Seneca. Letters. Epictetus. Discourses. Or any text that strengthens your mindset. The goal here is not to memorize philosophy. The goal is to shape your thinking. Ask yourself, what can I apply today? How does this relate to my current struggles? What would the Stoics do in my position? A single powerful Stoic line can guide your choices for the entire day. Imagine starting your morning with Marcus Aurelius reminding you, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Or Seneca, whispering, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. These lines become anchors. They bring you back to center when life pushes you off balance. Habit 4. Negative visualization. He who has anticipated the coming troubles takes away their power. Seneca. This is one of the most misunderstood Stoic practices and one of the most life-changing. Each morning, the Stoics visualized losing the things they cherished: their health, their home, their loved ones, their comfort, their opportunities. Why? Not to become sad, not to become fearful, but to become grateful. Humans adapt quickly to good things. We stop appreciating what we have. We take people for granted. We forget the value of our own lives. Negative visualization shocks your mind back into gratitude. By imagining loss, you gain appreciation. Suddenly, your body feels like a gift. Your relationships feel precious. Your time feels rare. Your problems feel smaller. Your blessings feel bigger. And when you realize everything is temporary, you stop wasting your life on trivial things. You start living fully. Habit 5. Voluntary discomfort. We must undergo a hard winter training. Epictetus. Comfort is a silent killer. It weakens the mind. It softens the spirit. It makes us fragile. The Stoics understood this deeply, so they intentionally added small doses of self-chosen discomfort to their mornings. Cold showers, early exercise, fasting, walking in the cold, simple meals, minimalistic choices. Why would they choose discomfort? Because the person who trains with difficulty becomes strong. And when life throws real hardship at you, you won't break. Voluntary discomfort creates discipline, mental toughness, resilience, appreciation, self-respect, courage. You remind yourself every morning, I can do hard things, and that identity is priceless. The Stoic Morning Blueprint. These 5 habits are not just rituals. They are weapons. They are shields. They are mental armor. Practice them consistently, and you will notice less stress, more control over emotions, greater clarity, stronger decisions, deeper gratitude, resilience against chaos, a calmer, more powerful inner world. The Stoics did not seek an easy life. They sought strength, and strength is built in the quiet of morning. Remember, if you win the morning, you win the day. And if you win the day, you win your life. If this video inspired you, if you're ready to build a stronger mind, then commit to practicing at least one Stoic morning habit starting tomorrow. Your new life doesn't begin in a year or a month or even a week. It begins the moment you choose it. And that moment can be right now. Thank you for watching. Stay disciplined, stay grounded, stay unshakable, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe and don't forget to like, comment, and share.